Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to go ahead and change your TFT screen. You can actually change this particular image on your TFT screen on the AULA F75 MAX keyboard. So if you make use of this particular knob, you'll notice you can actually scroll to. Currently, as you can see, I'm making use of my own image on this TFT screen. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So in order for you to do that, it's very important for you to take notes that you can only do this via the USB cable. So this is the USB cable. So make sure you connect the USB cable to your laptop. All right. So you'll be able to, because you need to make use of the wired mode. All right. So at the back of the keyboard, you will notice we have the Bluetooth option and we have the wired mode. Put it to the wired mode. Then take this USB and plug it in. Once you've done that, you need to make sure you go to this particular website. I will leave the link to this website in the description below. This would allow you download the AULA F75 driver, which would help you change your TFT screen and also do other customizations. The link will be in the description below, so you can go ahead and download and do the same thing as well. So once you've downloaded the driver, you click on download driver. Then you install the driver on your PC and you can actually go ahead and run the application. All right, so opening the application, it looks exactly like this, and you're going to be on the home section where you need to connect. Once you've connected your keyboard, you're going to find your keyboard there. Then you just double click on the keyboard and it's going to open the keyboard section. By default, you might be here. So what you do is you come to this TFT screen icon, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the fourth option on the application. If you wish to upload a new GIF to your particular screen, you need to click on this new button right here, and once you click on this new, it's going to show you these frames. Then you click on the plus, then now it's going to ask you to select the image. So I'm just going to select an image, then I'll click on open, and as you can see, we have the image here. So now the next thing it's going to ask me to do is to click on upload to keyboard. Now I'm actually doing one right now, so I'll just change this. So you can see I'm modifying one. So while you are doing it, you also see loading on your keyboard. As you can see on my keyboard, it says 24%, which means it's currently uploading. You just have to wait for it to complete 100%, and once it's done, you're going to see your new TFT screen. Don't forget to like the video if you've watched the video to this point, and if you found the video really helpful. All right, so once the GIF has been uploaded, you're going to see it show like this. It's going to show on your screen, and you can go ahead and make use of the knob. That's it, guys, concerning how to change your AULA F75 MAX wallpaper on the TFT screen. I hope you found the video really helpful. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.